first I want to clear up a couple of things. That Nico got incorrect about something I said. Was first, he said that I said that the FDA said that labels were not needed. I didn't talk about the FDA and labels. I spoke about the FDA not having yet identified any particular health concerns. And then, as for labels, again, saying things should be labeled that they're bad. And oh, I'm sorry, I missed that. The point he made also about pests, bugs and everything, adapting to the pesticides. Well, one of the advantages of having GMOs are we don't have to use as much pesticides. And also, getting GMOs, the way GMOs are made, the DNA is inserted into a seed that produces a protein that are mostly digested into the gastrointestinal tract. So, and everyone knows, once it goes there, it's released, it's not absorbed into the body. And forgive me, I went out of order because that was more to say that it's safe, because we're not, the proteins that are produced from the GMOs, they don't stay in our bodies, they are released. So we don't have to worry about that. So no one can positively prove that GMOs are harmful. Neither can anyone predict what could possibly happen in the future with them. Not only it's an advantage because we're able to produce foods and everything, but in the future they're also going to be used for medicines. So they're looking right now into growing bananas that produce a human vaccine against hepatitis C. They're going to be able to mature fish more quickly for food consumption. And then they're looking into making GMOs that's going to cause cows to resist the mad cow disease, which these are all good things. Also, another thing, and actually this one is currently being used as an alternate use of GMAs other than food, based on a website called gmo.org. It's the transgenic potato plant. They've been produced and tested successfully by utilizing a genetically engineered food to deliver a pharmaceutical immunization against diarrhea. And that actually is a current use right now. And again, nothing negative has come from that we've heard. Again, I talked about edible vaccinations, and then it also has the potential of edible plant vaccines that come to immunize people even against the AIDS virus. They're working on that. That's also another future use of it. Up in San Joaquin Valley in Northern California, there's an area of crops that has salt. Salt is just somehow coming up onto the dirt, through the dirt, and of course there's no growing for the farmers in that area. But through GMO, they've been able to extract the protein and put it in the feed that makes it salt resistant. So now we have all this property that was once useless that we can actually use to go through. So until there are more proven facts to show that GMOs are actually unsafe, I definitely believe that U.S. should continue to allow the use of GMOs.